All right, fellow travelers and riders, it's time for Boomerang at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri. We've been on many Boomerang coasters on the channel over the years, and they're not always Becky's favorite, not always my favorite, but it is one on the list of 7 here, so we're going to get on there. We'll bring you on board point of view, and then we'll tell you what we think after the ride. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully I don't get sick.
Same.
Here we go. All right, Maggie. I mean, it looks updated. Wow. This is going to be an interesting view. I got my arms tucked under me to get the seat belt in. And then I just clicked it down lower, but you want to keep your arms kind of at the side.
How did you clip it?
I just stuck it in the clasp.
I can't get this out.
There you sit. There you go. Yep. Click, you're in.
What a disaster.
You're in. I think I'm in it.
Wow, I got that.
I gotta tell you, I wouldn't want to be stuck in these restraints.
Me neither. Is yours like up in the air? My restraint is.
Oh, where do you sit to get your back situated?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna sit upright and hope for the best.
There we go.
Boomerang.
My least favorite. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
Actually, on that Cyclone Sands last night, I closed my eyes.
The forward part doesn't bother me. It's like the backward stomach stall in reverse, like on that second or third loop. I don't know which one. Hopefully it'll just be nice and quick, you know?
This?
Just rip it like a Band-Aid.
I like the color though. It's my favorite color.
All right. Well, we're gonna hold on and see how she rolls.
This being faced forward.
Oh boy.
Not really at all.
It can't be as bad as Cyclone Sam's. Okay, here we go.
I would prefer that over this.
Here we go. Brace yourself for impact. Try not to bang too many heads. Oh, it's a headbanger! It's a headbanger! Oh, it's loud. Oh, that's a hard hit. Holy smokes, and this is going to be worse.
Oh my god.
My ears are ringing like a bell.
My head.
My ears popped. Yes!
Oh my god. Why is that so rough?
Want to go again?
No. I don't, actually.
Come on, it's a walk-on. They'll throw you in the middle.
Ah.
Oh, please vacate. Oh. I can't believe it. Oh, mercy. Okay, I guess. I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm okay. I don't. Oh, Boomerang. We rode you once. Probably not twice, but what'd you think?
Yeah, not my favorite. I got a little bit of the head ringing right now, but yeah.
I mean, if you want the full shake, rattle, and roll, and upwards tumble, and loud chains, and quick slams, and head bangs, and all that good stuff that a Boomerang brings, that's a good one right there. I mean, it really, it'll shake, it'll wake you up. You know, if you're feeling tired, get on that thing first thing. Walk right on it, sit in the middle where we sat. I thought that was extra bangy. for the Boomerang bang. So head bang, yeah.
Yes.
That's all I can say about that one. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Hope you had a good time watching that. I'm sure you had more fun watching it than we had riding it, but no, I actually had fun. I'll get on another one. We'll do it, of course. But anyway, thanks to all our new subscribers, loyal subscribers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.